Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's 2019. I haven't done a video in a while and I apologize for that because I had promised you guys that I would bring you back some new videos for the new year, but things got a little crazy and some events happened that were unexpected. But I'm back and I decided I wanted to do some of our Christmas gifts, like show you and see how they work. I tried out the new Revlon hair dryer, whatever. I typically have been wearing my hair curly for about a year now, and I had promised myself that I wouldn't do the straightening thing anymore. Taking better care of my curls than I was before. So I'm going to show you how this bad boy works on pretty curly hair. Frizzy, I just washed it and conditioned my hair. So here it goes. Sorry about the lighting if it bothers you, whatever, but just bear with me. So we're just gonna tie back my hair. Well, not really tie it, but I'm gonna pin it up with my clip. And like I said, I tried this before and I tried it on dry hair. I did not like it because it didn't have that. I just re-wet it a little bit. I didn't like when I tried it with dry hair. It didn't give me the volume that I was looking for. So I tried it with, fresh, clean hair. And I liked the effect that gave me. So this Revlon hair brush, and it's a dryer. It has a cool, a low, and a high. So I'm going to start with the low. So here it goes. It's on low, and I can usually do pretty big sections. That's one reason why I like it. Then I don't have to use the straightener. Sorry about the lighting. But I like that you can get really close to the scalp. You just pull up to get that volume. And so you're like, okay, so one thing that's really nice, like your hair doesn't get so hot that you can't touch, but it's straightening it. See? Curly. You're straight. I mean, I'm going to keep straightening my hair, put it back on low, and just work with it. And just pull up to get that volume. And then if you want to, go back and, but that's pretty good for me. I don't need to get it like jet straight. Um, like super flat for me. I don't like that look. But with like these little parts, I will just go in with a curling iron when I curl my hair, to get a little beach wave, and it will be just fine. But I really like what this does. So right now I'm going to finish the rest of my hair and I will show you what it looks like at the end. Okay, so I want to do this last piece with you, but this literally took me about 10-15 minutes. So I got a couple little pieces here to do, but it goes so fast. I love this Revlon, and I really wanted to keep my hair curly and like never straighten it again. But then when you find like tools like this that make it so easy, and you just can get out of the shower, blow dry your hair, you don't have to blow dry it, then straighten it, then curl it. This is like one stop kind of, you know what I mean? One thing, one tool. I like it. So here we go. I'm going to touch it up a little bit, but whew, look at all this. You want from curly to straight with volume. You know what I mean? Like, anyways, and obviously I need to style it and brush it and get it to lay down a little bit nicer. Hold on. Let's try this one. I'm gonna do it on the cool setting real quick. I know this is low. Alrighty. Well, there it is. Got some flyaways, but I'll need to do my makeup. Anyways, just focus on the hair. Don't look at my face. But look at that. I love it. So, I will leave the details of how to purchase one of these. I saw on Amazon right now it's cheaper than if you would go to like Walmart or Ulta. So they have a pretty good deal. So I'll leave the details. If you have curly hair, I recommend trying the Revlon. It beats some of the other tools out there that are really, really expensive. I just wouldn't even waste my time spending that kind of money when, well, especially for curly hair, I don't do my hair every day. I don't straighten my hair every day, so I wouldn't go spend, like $500 on a tool that I'm not going to use like every week. I straighten my hair maybe like once a month. And honestly, this past year, 2018, I didn't straighten my hair at all. So, like I said, I was on the journey of just trying to restore my curls, get the spirals back, and hoping for just, my hair growth to be a little bit more less damaged. When you use tools and hair, when you use straighteners on your hair all the time, it really damages your curls. And I don't like cutting my hair very much, so when you do that, you have to be constantly cutting your hair every 2 to 3 months, and I really want long hair, so I cut that out. I just stopped using the straightener and stopped blow drying my hair and just let it air dry and use products. And but now I found this, and this might be my new thing for 2019. So this is my final look. Yeah, I'm not going to do anything with my hair today. It's -2 degrees out. Says it feels like it's 24. Haven't even attempted to go outside. I don't want to go outside. I don't want to go anywhere. So I'm not gonna mess with this. I'm just gonna leave it how it is. And anyways, like I said, I love this tool. I recommend it for those who have curly hair. If you're new to the channel, just welcome to my channel. And if you please would give me a like and subscribe, I really would appreciate it. And we'll see you back in the next video. Bye-bye. So this is my final look, and I'm not going to curl it. I'm home alone. No, I'm not. That was a lie. I'm not home alone, but I am home. And